Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in Deira City Centre. So I'm walking the place I go hunting. I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's go. First it was meant to be version, but as you can see, it's closed. So we're stopping a playing dream. So anyways, let's go in. So we got the stock, I think. There's a Barbie extra. They have a silver Barbie extra. Whoa! You know the best part is that with Barbie move released 2 days ago, so I could just go get one right now. No, I didn't see the Barbie movie. I'm not even planning to. Anyways, here we go. So we've got a... What is it? We got a Rimac Nevera. Oh boy, it's hard pulling these out. But man, I think the shipping one of the cars that should be bought a lot. And what is that? A Mazda 787B. New in mainline, not new for 2023. Such a good casting too. Like the Rimac. Got these Leaf Nesmos. My second time seeing it. It's from the D case. I think they have a D case. And then, yeah. What else? There's a car I drove. Whoops. I like to. You got a Matin Debbie. I remember retro racers. Here we go. Got a Ginamog BMW 507. Here we go. What else? They've gotten. Wait a second, a Vantage GTE. It's also in the Golf livery, so I know a lot of people like that one. On the Camaro. Copo. Nope, not a Super. I wish I'll find a Super. I mean, I already found the Mazda one. Here we go. What is that? It's a truck. Holy. So what? It has like weird skull rims. Just 1 second. Psycho Rally truck. It's a cool one. There's where you can put this. Also, I am having pretty bad coughing. I had done that for weeks. Well, got a just dropped the car. No, is that Barbie? I don't know. Here's a carbonator. Now, if you have like any glass, Coca-Cola or Pepsi, this is an easy way to open them. Got a Skull Cruiser, Skull Crusher. I don't know. What else? Here's a custom small block. It's like the Lego car. There's like they made a series of like Lego cars. There's 5, and I want some. Here's a Mazda RX-3. I have the white one. The white one, yeah, this is cool. 2022. What else? See nothing so far. There's a... What is this? That's a Bubble-matic. Yeah, this thing blows bubbles apparently. Pretty cool, to be honest. Imagine every car, like, you go... I think this thing, if we go down the track, will blow bubbles too? I don't know. What else they've got? I mean, the Tune Silverados are always the peg warmers. What is this? A Chevy Bel Air Gasser. That's cool. 2022 also. There we go. What else do we have? Here's a Braille twin mill. Wait, is this an error? No, I don't think it's an error. Sadly, it's not an error. Here we go. Here's a tool again. Tool car. There's this weird... What is that? I don't know. What else? There's a Tune Vito, but another cope. It's a Super? No. I think the Super is what barely has here. There's a no turbo. What else? There's another Lego truck. This is a Lego truck, not a car. see. He's a divisor. No, it's not a super. Sadly, it's not a super. Ah, man, I want to see a super. I don't know. It'll probably be a while before I see one. But that's an Ultra AC. Oh wait, it's not a super. It's not. The GK Super is the beat up cave racer. So it'll be nice seeing the Alpha HC as a super. Whoops, I dropped it. He's a Jeep Wanigear. I don't know how I meant to say it too. Anybody knows how to say it? Tell me. What else? There's a bunch of premiums. Mario Rose Van. I saw that movie and it actually is very good. It's a single speed machine. One singular speed machine. Where's on the? Anyhow, so our next stop is Center Point. Let's get in. Oh, it's almost empty. Oh, boy. What is this? Here's a car. Here's a transporter. Plaza body? Interesting. What's this? He's a dice car 2022. That's old. You like basically, it's like rolling a dice, but instead of throwing, you just roll the car. Tunes. Probably nope, not a super. I wish I saw one. Here's another car. What? It's not a right car in here, is it? Maybe. Gudu. He's a that's a Volvo and an R390 body. Wow. What car, not body. Interesting. Lolux Charger. The Nash 2022 again. I mean 2022 cars. And that's a TV series Batmobile. Nothing. Another car. Wow, that looks weirdly messed up. Here's the error. Saw that one before. Another looking good, like a bunch of fancies in here. I think the only car is a 34. Look, there's a Copa. What is a Copa doing here? It's not a super. Here's another TV series Batmobile. You'll see. Nope, it's not a super. Just had to double check. We got Toon Maverick. Here's a time taxi. Let's go to the other side. Lolux. TV series Batmobile. There's another one. Yeah, there's nothing. Also, I found this error. Pretty interesting. Stolen car. Here's a Nissan GTR police car. Chevy Silverado police car 2. GT40. Wait, give me a sec. Let me take. Yeah, here. Got GT40. I think like a Golf spec or something. I don't know. Got another GT40. This one's like bronze and red. Here's a Jaguar XE Project 8. It's a good car. Here's a Mercedes of some sort. Pickup truck. What is this? That's another silver. This one's a police. I think the other one's a fire. Here's a police. Here's another Mercedes pickup truck. You know what I'm talking about? There's some cars are police and some cars are like fire. Here's a Lamborghini Miura. Yeah, how was made a super with this thing? I got the mail, not the super. Hummer with mud stains. It's not real. It's not real mud. Here's another one. This time's yellow. No, it's not real mud. It's like they painted like good off-roading. I think here's another one. This is red. Here's a blue one. I'm showing you every spec for the Hummer. Yeah. There's a GT48. This is, I think, the original one. The black and white. There's a Ford F100, I think. An old Ford of some sort. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. Here's another Jaguar XE. This is a red one. Got Got another Mercedes. This one is a red Mercedes pickup truck. I like calling it pickup truck. Black Mercedes pickup truck. I think they got every variation. It's for anybody who likes pullbacks. Says Solamento police car. Got a Jeep Wrangler. Camo with this camo. We've got a blue camo Jeep Wrangler. These are all open top, by the way. Don't worry. And a green camo Jeep Wrangler. Yeah, I'm definitely out. There's nothing. Oh, and there's a Ford. And yeah, I'm out. So guys, that's all for today. I want you guys to like and subscribe, share this channel with your friends. I'll keep you updating on what I find. We'll see you next time, everyone.